Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is your channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. I'd like to welcome the new viewers. Thank you for taking your time to stop by the channel, and please click the subscribe button to get the frequent updates. Okay, so Fed Chairman Jerome Powell spoke yesterday. It's expected supply chain progress by the second half of the year, says Powell. And he took some questions yesterday, but he announced he will be holding rates steady, but that it would soon be appropriate to raise the Fed's funds rate target range. So that means an interest rate hike. So Fed Powell yesterday, he did not encourage anybody. He said he's going to raise interest rates as scheduled. So that was a big hit on the market again today. If you look at my Robinhood, I was down again 3.99%. And out the gate again this morning, we were up and then it just fell apart again. So same type of situation. Jerome Powell, he comes out, he wasn't soft. He was pretty, stern. He said, we're going to raise interest rates. So here we are, the market, again, draining the market, the market going down. There was a few bright spots though. So we did have, again, earnings. Let's go earnings whisper. Today, Apple reported, again, more companies will report tomorrow. AMD, Facebook, Ford will report next week, Chevron, a couple of other popular companies will report again next week. But tonight, Apple did report revenue. There goes Tim Cook. And Apple's revenue pops by 11% to $123 billion. Says supply chain improving. Tim Cook on the call. So that was good news for Apple. If we take a look at Apple stock after hours, the stock popped up 4.66% on that news that Apple was doing good. Again, this is a $3 trillion market cap company. Again, Apple does pay a slight dividend, as you can see, 0.55. And, Tim Cook and them are, doing great. They are affected a little by supply chains, but overall, Apple is improving. Again, they were up 4.5% on the day. So kudos to Apple and Tim Cook. If you look at my portfolio again, you'll see Apple was up 4.20%. Also, the Revolve Group RVLV was up 0.98%, so almost a percent. And again, ConocoPhillips, ticker symbol COP, was up 3.19%. So those were the three top stocks. Revolve, Apple were up on the day. Just to take a look at the news real quick. McDonald's earnings missed, but McRib and McBatchuet helped U.S. sales growth beat expectations. As you see, McDonald's was down 0.34%. Reuters reports Apple sales and profit top estimates as iPhone dodges supply chain hits. Again, I talked about Apple being up 4% after hours. Facebook wins conditional EU antitrust nod for customer deal. And returns on capital are showing encouraging signs at Shopify. Again, this is the Canadian e-commerce giant Shopify, and they were slightly down again, 4.94% on the day. Also in other news, Robinhood shares tumble. as they fail to meet earnings expectations. So Robinhood stock tumbles. Again, I do have a little Robinhood in this portfolio. As you can see, they're down over 17.5%. So Robinhood's not doing good there. Facebook cryptocurrency venture to wind down and sell tech assets, reported by Wall Street Journal and Reuters. And Bank of America raises base pay for top bankers, sources say on Reuters. So that is the news. And I'm gonna go over to my other portfolio. There was still more red today. This portfolio was down 4.65%, a little over 2,000. Today's top stock was ticker symbol AAPL. Apple, again, was up 3.95%. Coming in second place earlier this week that we reported, Microsoft was up 1.53%. Visa, the payment credit card company, was up 4.92%. And ConocoPhillips, I've been talking about that stock for a little over 2 weeks. Energy stock, oil, gas, and all that stuff, it was up 3.15%. So those were my top stocks in the day. Also, there was a lot of red. So if we look at the other side of the portfolio, we'll see that Tesla was down 11%, Lucid was down 13%, and AMD was down. AMD is down, but I really feel like this stock can come back. They're down about significantly from $137. But again, they will report later this week. So if we look here, AMD will report on Tuesday, 2/1. So that's next Tuesday, February 1st, AMD will report. The common theme I'm seeing with some of these stocks before they go into earnings is they're falling drastically. So if you look at Apple before going into earnings today, they fell to 159, and after hours it popped up to 166. So I'm not surprised. AMD going into earnings is falling as well. And we look at the stock, it's falling over 33%, like I stated earlier. But once we get the information, I believe, on AMD during the earnings call next week, I think the stock can recover. Okay, so those are the news. Those are the stocks. Again, the top stock of the day, Apple, after hours, was up over almost 4%. And Microsoft up 1.53%. And ConocoPhillips up 3.15%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you like some free stock, please use my Robinhood link. Or if you like Webull, you can use that one as well. Have a good night.